Let's cover up this big old bald spot. What's up, guys? We're going to be doing a low ponytail today, but first we're going to start out by hydrating our hair. I will have all the products linked below if you are interested. This is the Luster Curl, one of my favorites. I love to use this for hydration. It locks in hydration 24 hours in my hair. If you have fine, thin hair, then you need hydration. So in today's ponytail, we will be going with a part down the middle, and we will be doing a low ponytail, kind of middle of the back of my head type of ponytail. So I'm trying a new product. This is the Got to Be Glued spray gel, and I'm going to see how well this holds down my ponytail. It's like a dry spray gel, and so my hair is moist, so I sprayed it all over my hair, and it's doing a great job at slicking my hair down. It is pretty tacky, so you may have to wash your hands after adding this product. So what I'm doing is just slicking my hair back and brushing the product through my hair, and then I'm going to tie it in a ponytail. If you have a satin ponytail tie, please use one. I didn't have one, so I just used a little cloth one. Now I'm just taking my edges and slicking them back as slick as possible so I can get ready to add the hair. This is a new technique that I'm trying, but first I'm going to go ahead and mold this down and let it dry before I start adding the hair. Sorry for the slip ups. So this is the drawstring ponytail. Y'all know I love drawstring ponytails. This one is real full, so I just went in the middle of the ponytail and cut some of the hair out, and that's how much we're going to be using. So now my hair's been molded down. It's all dry. Look at it. It's looking all slick. The product did great holding my hair down, so I like it. So I'm going to go in with the Got to Be Glued Ultra Glue Invincible Styling Gel. Now I like to use the one in the black tube over the yellow tube. I feel like the yellow tube has a lot more hold, and I'm trying to be as gentle on my hair as possible. Now, as you can see, there are no edges being pulled because I don't have any to pull. So basically what you're seeing is what I have left of edges slicked back. So what you're going to do is take a generous amount of the Got to Be Glued gel and put it on the hair. Let it dry for about a minute, and then go ahead and take your hair and start adding it in. Now I took the hair from the bottom because it looked more natural. As you can see, the sharp cut where I cut it. If you use that in, it will look unnatural. So I'm taking a bobby pin and just holding the rest of the hair back, and then I'm slicking just a little more edge gel on there so that it'll hold and start drying down, and then I'll take that piece and just wrap it around the ponytail. So you're just going to repeat the same process on the other side. And as you can see, the end of the ponytail, when your hands are a little bit sticky, this technique can get a little messy. I had to go and wash my hands a couple of times just so the hair doesn't stick on my hand while I'm trying to apply it. But you just have to take your time with this process, and I must say I am pretty impressed with this process. I'm going to keep practicing and practicing because practice makes perfect over time. This is a great way, ladies, if you are dealing with traction alopecia and you have these big bald spots, to add this hair in. But just make sure you take your time and try to make it look as natural as possible. Just like eyebrows, the left and the right side are sisters and not twins. I did my best. This is my first time trying this technique, and I think it's coming out pretty good. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think so far, how it's looking. I think it's turning out pretty well. It just takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of patience. But I have to say, this technique does look most natural. If you can definitely get those hairs to lay down in the right format, then it will be just like you have edges and no one's going to know that you added them in. So as you can see, I'm going ahead and adding on my drawstring ponytail, and then go ahead and comb the ponytail out. This is a very fluffy one. It looks natural. It mimics like a yucky texture, and this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good for my first time. What do you think? Leave me a comment below, and thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy